If your vehicle has ever refused to start at the worst possible moment, you already know how essential the right battery can be. That is why finding the best car batteries in 2026 is more important than ever, especially as modern cars demand stronger, more reliable power sources. Today's automotive batteries are built for tougher conditions, longer life, and better performance. Yet choosing the right one can still feel overwhelming. We are here to make that easy. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 1. Mighty Max YTX 7L Battery. The Mighty Max YTX 7L battery earns the top place because it delivers reliable power, consistent performance, and impressive durability in a compact design. This battery stands out for vehicle owners who want dependable starts without any unnecessary maintenance. It is built with strong internal components that support steady energy output over long periods, which makes it ideal for riders or drivers who expect smooth performance every day. Mighty Max focuses on creating batteries that remain stable even when exposed to constant vibrations or sudden changes in temperature, and this model follows that standard exceptionally well. What makes the Mighty Max YTX 7L battery a trusted choice is its ability to maintain performance even in demanding situations. Many batteries begin to weaken after repeated cycles, but this model is crafted to deliver the same level of power from one day to the next. Its internal structure is built to reduce energy loss and support consistent operation, which can help extend the life of both the battery and the vehicle components it powers. Riders appreciate how confidently it turns the engine over, especially during early morning starts or long periods between uses. Another major advantage is that this battery is designed to eliminate the worry of upkeep, allowing users to rely on it without constant checks or refills. Its sealed build helps keep it protected from issues that often affect traditional batteries. With a design that supports strong output, minimal internal resistance, and dependable charging ability, the Mighty Max YTX 7L battery shows why it is such a popular choice. Key advantages include strong durability, solid starting power, low maintenance design, and stable performance in varied temperatures. Number 2. U+ Group 49 Battery. The U+ Group 49 battery is an excellent option for drivers who need powerful energy delivery and long cycle life. This model works especially well for modern vehicles that draw heavier electrical loads because it is built to supply steady power without dropping in performance. U+ engineered this battery for users who want reliable starts and strong support for all electrical accessories inside the vehicle. Its build allows it to remain efficient even during long drives, short trips, or frequent start and stop conditions, which often wear out weaker batteries quickly. One of the standout qualities of the U+ Group 49 battery is how well it manages high electrical demand. As vehicles continue adding features like advanced displays, additional sensors, and stronger climate systems, the need for stable battery support becomes more important. This model focuses on delivering that stability with internal components that reduce performance drops and help the battery charge more efficiently. It's made for drivers who want long-lasting battery health and the assurance that the engine will start easily, regardless of daily usage patterns. The construction is designed to withstand intense driving environments, including rough roads, fast acceleration, and temperature changes. This durability helps preserve consistent power output and lowers the chances of internal deterioration. Drivers also appreciate that the battery does not require ongoing maintenance, providing convenience and reliability. By supporting higher reserve power and dependable output, this battery fits well for anyone who wants an upgrade over a standard automotive battery. Key advantages include strong electrical support, long cycle life, resistant internal structure, and dependable starting ability. Number 3. Mighty Max ML22 Battery. The Mighty Max ML22 battery is a great fit for users looking for a well-balanced design that offers stability, long-term performance, and versatile use across different systems. Its core strength lies in its ability to deliver energy smoothly over extended periods, making it suitable for small vehicles, backup systems, and other power needs where reliability matters. This model is crafted to provide dependable charging and discharging cycles, allowing it to maintain efficiency and performance even after repeated use. One reason the Mighty Max ML22 battery is appreciated by many users is its focus on internal strength and durability. It is built with materials that minimize energy loss and support steady output, which helps reduce performance issues over time. Users can expect consistent operation whether their system runs continuously or only intermittently. This model emphasizes reliability, making it a trustworthy choice for both primary and secondary power roles. It supports stable voltage distribution, helping connected devices perform effectively without fluctuations. Another benefit is how effectively it handles different environmental conditions. Whether exposed to warm temperatures, cooler climates, or long periods of inactivity, this battery maintains its structure and energy delivery. It also uses a seal design that keeps the internal components safe from common issues, reducing the need for maintenance. Number 4. Group 48 Car Battery by One Auto Depot. The Group 48 battery by One Auto Depot is built for drivers who want strong performance combined with long-lasting durability. It's designed to support a wide range of vehicles, especially those that require dependable energy output for daily driving. This model supplies stable power for both engine starts and continuous electrical needs, which makes it a reliable option for modern vehicles filled with advanced electronics. Its internal composition helps the battery maintain strong performance even under heavy usage. One notable strength of this battery is how well it manages repeated start and stop cycles, a common factor that shortens the lifespan of many automotive batteries. The Group 48 battery is built to reduce internal wear and maintain consistent power delivery even when the engine is frequently restarted. This stability ensures the vehicle runs smoothly and the battery maintains strength over longer periods. Drivers who rely on their vehicle for everyday commuting will appreciate the consistent performance this model provides. Number 5. Super Empower Lithium Battery. The Super Empower Lithium battery stands out for users who want a lightweight power solution that lasts significantly longer than traditional battery types. It's engineered for energy efficiency, making it an excellent choice for recreational vehicles, solar storage, trolling motors, and marine applications. This battery focuses on long cycle life, which means it can be used repeatedly for many years without experiencing major decline. It provides stable energy distribution, making it highly suitable for devices or systems requiring long, uninterrupted operation. One major strength of this model is how well it handles deep cycle usage. Many traditional batteries lose power quality when drained repeatedly, but this lithium design maintains a high level of performance. It supports clean, consistent output, helping connected equipment run more efficiently and with fewer disruptions. Whether used in outdoor applications or stationary power systems, the battery maintains strong stability and reliability. Its internal management system helps protect it from issues like overcharging and excessive strain. Another benefit is its durability in different temperature conditions.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.